So this SWAT van is one of those old Matchbox vans, or I guess they had fire trucks and different things too. And when you would press on them, the axle would make contact with this metal bar here, and I'll put the battery back in there for you here. Are we making... Well, I don't want to pry it all back apart, but when you hit this, when it's all put back together and everything's making contact with each other, and the batteries work, these lights light up and it beeps. It makes a siren sound, which was really cool for these trucks to do that. And this one doesn't work, and well, it beeps, but it's weak, and it used to be really good. So I'm gonna I have decided that since it doesn't work real well, I'm gonna brave taking it apart. So far that was a good idea. I haven't tore up anything yet. I'm having trouble getting the last battery out. I don't have any of these batteries with me though. I'll have to buy some, but I do at least know that I know it takes batteries, so that means I can get it to work again. Because everything made contact and everything. It was just really weak. I think it was weak because it had one battery powering it. These are probably the factory batteries that came in it in 19... And I bet it's not from 85. I think the 90s, because it's old enough it's got these wheels, so it's somewhere in the 90s. These are Venic. Never heard of Venic batteries before. And they are L1131 alkaline batteries. I don't have any of those, so I'm gonna buy some and put them in here, and I'm gonna put the screw back in here so I don't lose it, because that's not an M2 screw. I can't just get an M2 screw and put it in there. So I'm gonna leave it at that right now and see if I can't get this thing working again. So, oh dear. I don't remember in the last part of the video if I had found this other car yet, but I found another car that is supposed to make noise. Now it looks like it might have got hot. See how that windshield's all sunk in? So it may not work. I don't remember it being like that. But yeah, this is for the Ford van. Now the batteries that came out of this, they don't make anymore, but this is a direct replacement. This is the LR1130. It doesn't say, I forget what the number was of the the original number. Maybe I said before, but anyway. Let's put the batteries in this van. Took 2 of them each. These are obviously, if you saw that, Maxell brand batteries, and they don't come out of here very well. Let's get the broke pencil out, and that don't work either. Batteries were not something that I expected to have to open off of camera. Where's the other one at? poked a hole in the plastic with that one. Okay. Connections up there, so I bet the negatives are just grounded there, so I bet they go in like that. I don't remember. Where's our metal plate? Let's put it back together first. Alright, the van works, but it worked before. That car has never worked since I had it. Screwdriver looks like it would be a good idea. You'll have to pardon the squeaky chair, as you guys probably know that by now. It's a little bit stripped out, I'd say. That just goes in that back tab there. Yep, everything's in there, right? There we go. Maybe the lights weren't poked through. They're poked through now. I suppose I could put a new screw in it, but the screw I don't think is what's stripped out. I think the post on that truck's stripped out. So we know the van works. So I don't know if the Ford Sierra police car works or not. That's what this is. Ford Sierra XR41. Well, that didn't work for the owner. Batteries should not be this difficult to... something in one of these packages shouldn't be that difficult to open. Alright, this has had contact cleaner sprayed in it. I've done the best I can to scrape all the corrosion out of there. Still don't know if this thing's going to work or not, though. Whoa. Just bend that boy back down there. Put that tab in there. Oh, it sounds different. I didn't expect it to sound different. It's good that it works, though. Alright. This one's not stripped out. This one has more parts. That goes in there. Then this, I've put one of these back together before because I've got one. One of these Fords here. Actually, I've got two of them. One of them likes to come apart because it's kind of bent up. So, I'm used to putting them back together. I just haven't done it for a while. I'm not used to all this electronic crap that's inside of it. Alright. Yep, that's in there correctly. Why isn't that fitting in there right? Does it fit in there? Does it fit in there anyway? Yes, it will. Okay. Maybe stuff was shifted around. There we go. Yep. It just... not everything was lined up right. Okay. Screwdriver. You want to tighten them too much. it looks like the van might run a little bit longer. That is interesting, though, that they sound different. The years on these are not for the electronic ones. They're just because they use the bases for both of them. These probably came out in the, I want to say in the 90s or late 80s. It's hard to find anything about these because now they have a new electronic line. Matchbox does. And, excuse me, I can't think of the name of these, but it's called the same thing as these old ones, so you can't find much about these old ones anymore. But anyway, that's good to know that they work. I'm not sure what happened to that one there. Looks like maybe it got hot and window melted in it. See, this one also, the lights flash at the same time. This one, they go back and forth. That's interesting. Alright, like, comment, subscribe for more. Have a great day. I'll catch you in the next video. And that was how to change batteries in the Matchbox electronic police cars. I'll probably put the right name in the title of the video. I can't remember what they're called right now.